Hi children, 6th B. The first chapter in the grammar we study the sentence. We know what is a sentence. Definition of the sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sentence is a group of words that give you a complete sentence or a complete meaningful sentence. That is the definition for the sentence. Now sentence has four kind sentences have. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now we study each one in detail. Assertive sentence means a positive sentence, a statement saying something. Statement. The sun set in the west. She is not a good singer. She is not a good singer. She is a good girl. So something is state, that is called the assertive sentence, assuring you that is happened. So when sentence is writing, the first letter always written in capital. In between, capital letters should not use unless it is any name or any particular place or any proper noun is not coming there. It should not use there. And after the sentence is completed, you should use the full stop. That is a assertive sentence ka rule. Capital letter should be used. Always begin with the capital letter. When the sentence is completed, full stop. In between, small letter and the capital letter should not mix up and write. Then second is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is used to ask questions. For example, what is your name? Have you finished your homework? Where are you living? What are you doing? Where are you going? Did you have your dinner? Such questions begin with the question words. So this sentence end with the question mark. So this is called the interrogative sentence. Third sentence is called imperative sentences. Imperative sentence express a command, a request, or an order, or wish, suggestion, advice. Such words comes in a imperative sentence. So such sentences are called in a imperative sentence. Example: open the door. Please lend me your book. Save us. Request. Have a nice day. Wish. Okay. Then open the door is a command. Go to your place, giving an order. So like such sentences are called imperative sentence, giving order, command, request, or entreaty or wish. These are coming under the imperative sentence. The fourth one is called the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong and sudden feelings such as surprise, anger, excitement, or happiness. Like, wow, what a game! What a lovely morning it is! What a pleasant day! What a wonderful flower! So such expressions showing the excitement and all, this is called the exclamatory sentence. Now, please and kindly used in an imperative sentence express a request Please and kindly used in an imperative sentence to express the request. Now come to the exercise. The first one, tick the correct answer. A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Underline, I have underlined here sentence. Second one is called a sentence always begin with a capital letter. I have a sentence here capital letter. Third one is a sentence end with a full stop. Here marked it is a full stop. Fourth one is called we put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. An imperative sentence express command. What a great singer Tansen was. I is an exclamatory sentence. What a great singer Tansen was. Their exclamatory mark is given is an exclamatory sentence. Now exercise number B is telling identify the kinds of sentence in the following. There is given may I help you. It is an interrogative sentence. Stop laughing. Imperative sentence. My doctor told me to take rest. That is an assertive or declarative. Assertive and declarative both the same name only. Please let him go. Imperative. Anu, hand me your shirt. It is an imperative. It's a request only. Okay, that is a Anu, hand me your shirt. You please give me your. Instead of please and they are asking. Suggestion is or requesting or advising that hand me your shirt. It is an imperative sentence. How kind of you. It is an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory mark did you see? So it is an exclamatory sentence. What a foolish man you are. Exclamatory mark is there. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Have you solved the puzzle yet? Question mark. Interrogative sentence. He stolen my books. It is an assertive or a declarative sentence. Respect your teachers. It is a wish. Imperative sentence. C exercise is there is given learner's drill, sentence maker. There some of the words are given. It is in a disorder. It is not in order. We have to put it in a order. The boy went to the shop. When you write there, first letter should be capital. The boy went to the shop. Second word is here. He ball tennis hit the hard. So you have tried. He hit the tennis ball hard. He hit the tennis ball hard. Third one is very play went she early too. So make it in order. She went to play very early. She went to play very early. Fourth one is for take walk a dog the writer take a dog for a walk. Take a dog for a walk. Now next is coming. Fifth one. You and go fish bed. Finish. You and go finish bed homework too. Then you have to write there. Finish your homework and then go to the bed. Finish your homework and then go to the bed. Next they are given sixth one. Buy 2 for school going new for their clothes shopping. There you have tried. They are going for shopping to buy new clothes for school. They are going for shopping to buy new clothes for school. Seventh one is you going movies today for here. Are you going for movies today? Interrogative sentence. Are you going for movies today? Question mark interrogative. Then eighth sentence is here. Can they swimming can't school but go to the for go? Can they swimming can't school but go they to for? They can go to school but they cannot go for swimming. They can go to school but they cannot go for swimming. Now here next page mein learners drill mein there is a some pictures are given. वो pictures mein you have to see. First picture is eating fruits. So eat fruits and vegetable. That is A. Eat fruits and vegetable. Second is go swimming to regularly. That is M. M is a swimming. Picture is given M. Drink milk before you go to bed. E number. E number there is given